Hola estudiantes, this is Miss Gonzalez and I'm going to explain your in-class activity for November 28th. It's very simple. You are going to create a PowerPoint presentation. If you don't know how to use PowerPoint, well, you're watching this video, you are going to learn, and also you can watch these two short and very useful tutorial videos. They are very short and very, very nice. So in the first slide, or the first thing that you're going to do is you are going to work in PowerPoint. And then in the first slide, you are going to write your name, the name of the course. So I'm going to write here in the first slide, Honors Spanish 1. Then I'm going to write my name and the teacher name. So let's say that I'm Pepito Garcia, okay? And here I'm going to write Miss Gonzalez. Okay, that's it. And then to create a new slide, I click New Slide, or also Control M. That's very simple. So in the second slide, you are going to write the title, Las ocupaciones en español. So, las ocupaciones en español, because that's the topic that we are learning. I'm going to delete this. I just select it and now click delete. Now I'm going to make this bigger. I'm going to select all the text. I'm going to, let's say, 50. Let's say, yes, that's a good. I'm going to make this bigger and beautiful. I'm going to add colors because this is also this is about being creative. Okay, I'm going to change color. Let's use this blue. Also, if you want, you can add a theme. That's beautiful also. So let's add, I have these themes. I'm going to choose this one. That's it. I'm going to do the same that I was doing before, but this time I'm going to make it bigger. Okay, in the third slide, you are going to add a picture that represents Hispanic culture for you. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to write Hispanic culture. Let's go to images. I love this one. I really like this one. So because it represents people dancing, colorful. So I'm going to copy the image. Go back to my PowerPoint, and here it is. So this represents Hispanic culture for me. Now, in the rest of the slides, you are going to add a picture of each occupation that is in front of your name. So you scroll down. In front of your names, you have some occupations. So you are going to have one slide for each occupation, okay? And you are going to write, you are going to add a picture. And for each picture, for each occupation, you are going to write 6 complete sentences about each occupation. 1 sentence saying the occupation, 3 sentences describing the physical appearance, and 2 sentences describing the personality. Here we are including everything that we are learning. So let's say that my occupation is profesora. Remember, if it says una profesora, it's feminine. If it says un profesor is masculine. I like this picture. So I'm going to copy. I'm going to paste it here. I'm going to organize it. And I'm going to write here the sentences. Here in this part, I'm going to write una profesora. That's very easy. Una profesora. That's it. I can change colors. I'm going to add, let's say, blue. Any color that you really want to. Here I'm going to write the sentences for describing physical appearance. 3 sentences. Ella tiene gafas. Ella es guapa. Ella es castaña. Oh, actually, I think it's rubia. Ella es rubia. Okay. 2 sentences describing the personality. I think ella es trabajadora. Ella is... let me spell this. Ella es inteligente. That's it. And then I'm going to add another slide and I'm going to do the same. So let's say that my occupation is un doctor. So, un doctor. That's it, simple as that. But it's masculine, un doctor. So, I think that I'm going to choose this person. Copy image. Going back here. No, I'm going to do it here. Here I'm going to write un doctor. I'm going to describe his physical appearance in 6 sentences. Okay, let's say. Él es alto, él es delgado, él tiene el pelo corto. Then 2 sentences to describe the personality. Él es divertido, él es valiente. Yes, doctors are brave. That's it. Now, and of course, you are going to do it with the rest of the occupations that you have. At the end, you need to have minimum 8 slides. If you want to do it like this, that's great. If you want to have here the entire, let's say, the entire picture, and in the next slide, the sentences, that's fine too. You can also add transitions. Let's add some transitions here. For example, slide, let's play to see. Oh, look at this. This is so beautiful. You can add all the transitions, be very creative. You can change the background. So explore all the tools that you have here and do your work. Remember that at the end, you are going to submit your assignment here. You are going to download this PowerPoint presentation and you are going to submit it here in November 2018 class assignment. And that's it. So remember, oh, here, something important. So here you are going to write your name. Let's say Pepito is your name, Garcia. Honors Spanish 1. To download it, you click File, Download. I'm going to download it as a PowerPoint. And ta-da! And then you submit it here. If you have questions, ask me, okay? Work individually. Don't copy, don't give copy of your presentation, because remember that the main objective is that you practice, that you learn the occupation, that you use all the vocabulary, and that you get ready for quizzes, for oral presentations, okay? Adiós, adiós.